Chris, what is your story?
It's actually crazy. 5 years ago, I was actually a taxi driver. Then I found crypto. I started my YouTube channel. It took ages until I made my first money from trading and from the channel itself. And well, now I just constantly grind it. I'm here where I am and very happy about this story and about the development.
I always ask this, what's the most money you've ever made from crypto?
I can tell you I lost millions in a day, that's for sure.
You lost millions in a day, made millions in a day.
I also made millions in a day. I mean, when crypto makes a crazy move, it's sometimes I make more than like 10 million in portfolio value, 15, 20 million in portfolio value in a day. That's possible.
What's the biggest trade you've made? Like, what the biggest trade you've opened?
It was a $20 million trade, but leveraged.
What's real advice you can give to people? I know everyone says hold Bitcoin, but someone that actually wants to make it past just holding Bitcoin, what can they do?
Well, actually, my first advice would have been exactly this. I have another one also, which I will talk about. But holding Bitcoin, it sounds boring. If I tell you, like, hold it for 5 years, the best case scenario for Bitcoin is 100x. If the best case scenario is 100x and your worst case scenario is losing just the 100%, but the best case scenario is a 10,000% upside, it's like very asymmetric. I think just holding for many years is the best. But of course, if you want to go the fast lane, then you are adding risk to your strategy. So it's more likely to lose, but of course, it's also more likely to make more in the short term. And then you can add, of course, altcoins, you can add Ethereum, you can add NFTs. The downside is more likely, but the upside is, of course, also higher. Bitcoin is decentralized.
No one can take it.
Permissionless. No one can take it from you. It's the first asset in the history of mankind which no one can take. It's the only asset which has absolute scarcity. A digital US dollar, they can press a button and just print more.
Is there like a secret we don't know? Like secret organization, secret Bitcoin group, secret, is there something we're not part of?
Probably. I mean, it's the case for everything. Everywhere you have groups, like interest groups, people exchanging knowledge, exchanging deal flow, having certain knowledge, having certain power in the market. Of course, Bitcoin itself and cryptocurrencies, it's an unregulated space, so of course it's more manipulated than other things. The answer is always yes. The same thing goes even for real estate, people sharing deals in between each other. The same goes for gold. It goes especially for the dollar and for like diamonds. So you will have it everywhere. You have it in crypto as well. They're very powerful people in crypto. They are sticking together and not letting other people in. That's the case. And I think that's the case everywhere in capitalism. People are finding together and